Are you looking for out-of-the-box financing when it comes to your real estate needs? I'm talking no income documents, pay stubs, or tax returns are needed. If so, you've come to the right place. My name is Candy Katz, and I help homeowners and investors just like you qualify for financing across the U.S. I started this channel because I know how frustrating it can be when you have the money to buy a house, or perhaps you have great credit, but you don't qualify due to the conforming guidelines in place to purchase a house using a conventional FHA or what we call traditional financing. Providing solutions outside of the box would be our non-qualified mortgage options, which aren't spoken about. And I'm here to share with you those mortgage tips and tricks. In addition, we offer SBA, land, and commercial financing here at Absolute Mortgage and Lending. Writing loans since 2004 and selling homes since 2007, I am well connected in the markets that I've lived in, like New Orleans, Dallas, Texas, Denver, Colorado, and now Las Vegas. I'd be happy to connect you with one of my industry partners to make sure you're in good hands. You may have stumbled across my page because you are a mortgage lender or looking to get into the business. I'd be happy to connect and see if AML is a good fit for you. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to get weekly notifications on my mortgage tips and videos. Thanks so much for dropping by, guys. I look forward to helping you real soon. Cheers.